All right, guys, and we are live. What's going on, guys? It's Stockmarketchuy, and welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be a very short live, but here's what we're gonna take a look at today. But obviously, before we start, make sure you guys like, subscribe if you guys like investing content, and then also if you guys do have any questions, make sure you guys comment them in the comment section down below. And then the second thing is make sure you guys join the free Discord. If you guys want to know exactly when I am going live and then some of the trades that I do make sure you guys follow me on here or join the Discord. It's going to be, I think it's the second link in the description. And then we have 21 people that are active right now and then 145 people that are offline right now. So make sure you guys join the Discord. Like I said, it's completely free. But, all right, guys, let's take a look at some of the options plays that I'm going to do tomorrow. So right now I have Nike. This one I'm for sure going to have to roll out. So if I wanted to roll out my options, for me, I like to do it bi-weekly. So it's going to be 2 weeks out. And then let's see. No, 80. So if I wanted to roll it out for $80, I can do it for a $68 credit. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the $61 one. And I'm going to pay a total of $7 to somebody else. But the big one that I'm going to take a hard hit on is Palantir. So right now Palantir is at $40. So if I buy this, not that one, it's going to be 2 weeks out. Like I said, that's what I like to do. And for some reason, this options chain is not working. So they would only give me $14. So what I think I'm going to do is either I'm going to take a net credit and do like a $38 one, which means I'll have to take $664 hit, or I'm going to roll it all the way out to January 17th. And then I can do the $41 strike price, or I can do the $40 strike price and then just pay $300 for both of the contracts together. So I think that's what I might do, just because it is getting a little bit more expensive. Or actually, since my tax bill is going to be pretty high, what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the, like I said, a bi-weekly one. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'll do the $38 one, and then I'll just take a basically $650 net debit. But that's all right, because I just want to stay ahead of the stock. And then Riot, this one's more of a trade. This one I don't like Riot as a company, but at these levels, if I had to buy it at 7, I would. And then selling covered calls at $8 for Riot. SoFi, definitely gonna roll this option for sure, just because I really want to keep my SoFi shares. So let's see. Like I said, bi-weekly is what I like to do. So the October 25th, and then $8.50. So it'll give me 32. So this one right here at the $9, I'll take a $2 loss, but honestly that's okay, because I roll it from $8.50 to $900, which means I'll get $100 in, not premium, but upside. And then SSO, this one is $89. So this one I'm gonna have to roll this option, and then like I said, this one is October 25th. And then if I rolled it out to $90, I'll get a total credit of $50, which honestly I'll take the net credit plus the price appreciation as well. So I'll take both of those things any day of the week. So that's probably what I'm going to do. TSLL, this one I'm for sure going to roll to the right and up. And then Tesla does have their earnings on the 23rd. So this one's paying a little bit extra in premium. So I don't know if I want to keep it at $13 or $13.50, but I think I'll probably do it at $13.50 just in case Tesla does go on another big run. Then I'll do that. But if it goes down, that's all right too. My covered calls will do their job. And then the last one that I'm going to do this week is I have 10 cash secured puts on TSLL. So this one I'm going to be making quite a bit of money on. So $10. So they're going to give me around $520, which will offset that Palantir one that I was talking about earlier. But those are just some of the plays that I'm going to do this week. And then obviously that's what's going through my mind right now. But tomorrow it could be a different story, because when I look at the market at around 10 o'clock, it could be completely different. So that's just what I'm planning on doing right now. like I said, it could change by tomorrow. So yeah, just a fair warning. And then also, guys, if you do want to see content like that, make sure you guys join the free membership. I do have 2 different levels. I have the Get My Trades. In this one, you guys get proven results. I've been making 2K per month selling options. You guys can learn and earn. You guys get access to my trades and the reasons behind them. You guys can build wealth, growing our passive income with dividends, and we also sell options as well. You guys get my phone number. You guys can ask me anything. You guys get real-time trades. You guys get stocks that I'm buying, monthly stocks that I'm buying, and then community access. And then if you want to do, this one costs $59 per month, but this one you do a one-on-one with me, and then I do like the one-on-one with you every 2 weeks. So it's going to be a bi-weekly one-on-one Zoom call. And then, like I said, you get everything that's inside this last package. And then I'll help you reach your goals, because obviously so far I've been reaching my goals. So I want to make sure that I can help you do the same. And then you guys are supporting the work. And honestly, $60 is quite a bit of money. That for me in the past, I used to be working 6 hours, because I used to work at Burger King, and that would be 6 hours that I would have to work. So yeah. Why not a Roth IRA? So I do have a Roth IRA, dude. It's just that it's maxed out already. And then this one's not even that exciting. This one I just have TSLL call, and then 15 950 cash secured puts on TSLL. And then I have 2 covered calls on SoFi, and these ones expire on the January 17th of 2025. And then I only hold SoFi, TSLL, QDT, and then SSO. But once I get a little bit more capital, I'm going to sell probably both of these, and then either buy Celsius, or I'm going to buy more, either Hims and Hers, or the other one is SoFi. So yeah, dude. But yeah, I do have a Roth IRA. Thankfully, I was able to fully fund it. Emmanuel, what's going on, Tree? What's up, Emmanuel? Thank you so much for joining the live. And then also, Emmanuel, if you have any questions, please write them in the chat. Because I am about to get off this live, so let me know if you do have any questions. Be careful with Celsius. I'm looking into it. That's what's up, dude. Yeah, like Celsius, just like right now, it looks like an attractive deal. Hold on, sorry. Celsius. So Celsius right now, I feel like it's either reached its bottom or it's getting close to it. And then Celsius just did a 2% move. So like Celsius, as of right now, I have, where is it? I have 210 shares. I have them at $30.21. And so far I'm up 2%, which honestly, I'm kind of hoping it stays around these levels so I can buy more of this, just because like I'm going to go to Qualcomm really quick, and then I don't know what their growth stats are going to be like, but I was telling somebody that I think a lot of like the companies that are in like the beverage companies, they all went through like not a decline in revenue, but like they've been stagnant for like the past year. So I think either this quarter or next quarter they're gonna start picking back up again. And then like here's their revenue, right? Like it's going up like Q3, and then Q2 of this year, $401 million. Their EBITDA is positive, net or free cash flow is positive, so is their net income. Earnings per share is positive as well. Their shares outstanding are pretty much staying the same, which I'd rather have them buy their shares right now, just because look at that price. It's only $30, dude. And then they have a bunch of cash on deck, so it's like, why not buy your shares? Personally, I really hope they decide to buy their shares just because of how low Celsius is. I'm on your Discord. All right, I got you, Emmanuel. Just joined the Discord. All right, thank you so much, Sequan. I believe Hims is going to take off, especially being added to the S&P 500. Yeah, dude, that's the next stock that I have to look at. Well, actually, I'm already taking a look at Hims and Hers, but like I just have to pull the trigger. Like I actually had some shares. Like, let me look up Hims. So Hims, I had some shares of Hims and Hers, but I sold them just because I wanted to write them off on my taxes. So I think it was a $2,000 hit. So looking back at it now, I really wish I wouldn't have done it, because I sold them at $13.66, and then right now they're at I think it was $18. So took a hit on them, but at least my taxes were cut off by a little bit. But yeah, dude. Fortunately, the stock decided to race back up, but that's all right. Sometimes you make mistakes, and that was a mistake that because I really thought the stock was going to keep going down, but obviously it rebounded back up. But yeah, I definitely believe in Hims and Hers, Celsius, and then SoFi. Those are the three stocks that I think I'm going to be buying for like the next couple of weeks, just because they seem like they're at very reasonable valuations. And then before I go, guys, make sure you guys join the memberships. There's the VIP Get My Trades, and there's also the one-on-one. And then here's everything you guys get with them. So obviously, I have proven results. I make 2K per month selling options. You guys can learn and you guys get access to my trades and the reason behind them. You guys can build wealth, grow your passive income streams with dividends and selling options. You guys get my phone number. You guys can ask me anything. You guys get real-time trades. You guys get stock market buys or stocks that I am buying and also selling because got to have both parts of the equation. You guys get my monthly stock picks and then community access to the other 5 members that are in here. And then there's also 2 more that are on TikTok. So the 7 members that are on here. But and then here's a one-on-one. This one is if you have more money. This one's $60 per month, and you get everything that's inside this package. Plus, you get bi-weekly one-on-one Zoom calls. I'll help you guys reach your goals because so far I've been reaching my goals for the past 10 months, and I can help you reach your goals as well. And then you guys are supporting the work because without you guys, honestly, I wouldn't be able to like stream because to be honest with you guys, I get discouraged pretty quickly, and just having more and more people join the trades really does help a lot because this how you guys are watching this through StreamYard, this one costs $50 per month, and then I have a couple of Patreon memberships. So here I'll show you guys really quick. Well, actually, I don't know what kind of information that's going to show, but I have 2 different Patreons that I follow. There's what's his name, Finance Education Jeremy. That's one of the guys that I follow, and that's one of the Patreons that I have. And then there's another guy from TikTok. He's been beating the market by a lot, so that's why I was like, I have to follow this guy and I have to get what stocks he's buying because this guy's killing it. He's had like 3 or 4 different stocks that have doubled. So for me, I'm like, I gotta look at what this guy's doing. Chewy, what's up? What's your input on OXY? Let me see. OXY. Let's see. So the one thing that I really don't like is their free cash flow is like what's the word that I'm trying to look for? Like super volatile. Net income, same thing. Earnings per share. Like the one thing that is good though is at least they're positive, and they have a lot of debt. Don't like that. Shares outstanding are going down though. That's good. And then their dividend they have 22 cents, so that's not bad. But 17% profit margins. This honestly wouldn't be my number 1 pick, but if you could sell options on it, then maybe. But let me take a look really quick. Sorry, guys. Trade, sell. Oh, and this you can do weekly options on this. So maybe honestly, this one would not be a bad idea because you can sell covered calls and then you get the dividend as well, and as well if you make price appreciation as well. So honestly, this one wouldn't be the worst one to do, but let me see how volatile they are. They're not super volatile. They stay between, looks like 74 and right now they're at 55. So like a $20 range that they stay within. What is a good average for SoFi? For me, here I'll show you my SoFi position really quick. So with SoFi, my average is like 737. So like if you could get it at like 775, I would say that's good average. But who knows if it'll get back down there again. I'm thinking of buying some 10 to 18 calls on the XY. Like just buying regular calls, I wouldn't advise that. But obviously that's your portfolio. You can do what you want with it. But all right, guys, I do got to go. if you guys like this live, make sure you guys like it. Don't forget to join the membership. Like this live, follow me on here as well. And this is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Thank you guys.